I would like to welcome all of you this morning and glad that you have joined us on this historic and significant event for our company, for the fuel cell industry in general, for customers who rely on uninterruptible power supplies. Most fuel cells are hand-built, custom one-of-a-kind devices. They're made from expensive and fragile parts and components. They rely on precision and complicated assemblies to do their job. Well, Altergy's product is different. It was designed from the outset to be mass producible, utilizing low-cost materials, low-cost, high-volume manufacturing processes, and automated assembly. The result is a low-cost fuel cell system, high-quality fuel cell system that we can make by the thousands per day.
On behalf of Governor Schwarzenegger, he's very excited about this celebration of the world's first high-volume fuel cell manufacturing plant. And fuel cells being manufactured right here at this new Altergy plant will provide important technology to create cleaner power. On behalf of the Governor, thank you for your leadership, for developing clean power, and for creating new jobs right here in California. Congratulations.
I think the global potential is tremendous. Here you see today with Altergy making a huge step to bringing this technology to commercialization.
It's exciting to be here. I visited here before you had the what we're going to unveil today. There was a lot of empty space and there was a real promise. And there was a story that they told me, and I've heard a lot of stories. It is nice to see accomplishment. Henry Ford was not a great scientist, but he was someone who thought that we ought to take this idea of cars that was only for the rich and mass produce it with assembly line technology and make it available to everybody, and it changed the world. What we're seeing here today will be as important for us in our everyday lives as Henry Ford's idea to make the car available several generations ago. This is something we can all rejoice in and say, you know, this makes sense. We are going to be able to utilize energy in a different way, in a more practical way, in a way that's going to make the difference in many of our lives on an everyday basis, and it is here now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's very, very, very exciting. It's exactly the kind of thing that the Governor is interested in promoting. California technology, green technology. It's really the wave of the future.
Well, it takes it up to the next notch. What it means is now we can start to look at applications that would have been unfathomable just a couple years ago. I don't know of all the potential applications that are out there, and I suspect that some end users don't know what all the potential applications are there because they don't realize the scaling that's taken place so that now this is economically viable.
I think this is a wonderful step because cost becomes a key issue in terms of fuel cells, and therefore enable to increase the volume to bring the cost down. This is a huge step forward.